This video on lattice method, we've already done an introductory video on lattice method, so you know what that can do and what that's doing as we can basically. And in this video, we will be using lattice method to multiply multi-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. In the previous video, we just did two-digit numbers with one-digit number. So let's quickly move to our drawing board and start with some examples. So our first example is going to be 42, trying this, 42 by 25. Starting with 42 times 25. And this we quickly draw our board, our grid, something like this. Draw our various diagonals. So this is what we're going to do. Put our figures here. 4, 2, 2, 5. So 2 times 2 gives us 4. No one's value. Yes. 2 times 2 gives us 0, 4. Because there's no tens value. So remember to put the 0 here. 2 times 4 gives us 6. That's 8. That's 0, 8. 5 times 2 gives us 10. 1 and 7. 5 times 4 gives us 22. So we are going to add all that is this, which is a blue up to identify that. All those of this, all that's in this various diagonals. So now, quickly add them. It's going to be, so you can also help yourself by cancelling out this so that they don't confuse you because you are done using them. Take them off. That's not right enough. Anyway, so back to this, we can have, so we have 0 here. This diagonal 4 plus 1 plus 0 gives us 5. 8 plus 2 gives us 10. Put the ones place and then send the tens place. You don't put two values at the same place. So you put the ones in the diagonal and send the tens place to the other diagonal. So that's going to plus 1. So we have 1, 0, 5, 0. So our answer is the values outside. Therefore, 42 times 25 equals 1, 0, 5, 0. This is your final answer. Okay, beautiful. So we go to another one. That's going to be 52 times. So 52 times 75. Probably you can pause the video and try and wait till I also finish. Then you watch how I've done it. So you can pause the video and try it at home. Anyway, let's continue. We have this box. Quickly draw a box here. Beautiful box. Okay, we have another divided in this way. Another goes like this. Another one goes this way. 450. 52 by 75. Over here we have 7 times 2. 7 times 2 gives us 40, so that's 1 and 4. 7 times 5 gives us 35. 3, 5. 5 times 2 gives us 10. 1 and 0. 5 times 5 gives us 25. That's 2 and 5. Having done this, we come out to add all the various diagonals. So this first diagonal 0, another diagonal 5 plus 1 plus 4. That's going to be 10. 5 plus 1 plus 4 gives us 10. So that's 0. So since it's 10, we have to add 1 to this place. Good. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. We have 3 here. So everything gives us what? Therefore, we can say that 52 times 75 times 75 is equal to all the values outside 3, 9, 0, 0. That's correct. So we move on to other example. So this next example is going to be on these numbers. This is quite bigger than all we've done so far. It's going to be 324 by 24. As usual, this time around by 24. Our columns are going to be 3, our rows are going to be 2. We have this. Good. Let's use a different thing to identify our diagonals, make our work and easily know where we are adding. So we can now insert our values quickly as possible. So this is going to be 3, 2, 4 times 20. So let's multiply. 2 times 4 gives us 0, 8. 2 times 2 gives 4. No 10s, put 0, 4. 2 times 3, 0, 4, 10, 6. 4, 4, 16. 4, 2, 8. 4, 3, 12. Now we can add our values in the various columns. You can see them identified. I think using the red color, you can easily identify them. Alright, so we have 6. Starting from here, we have 6. We have 8 plus 1, that is 9. 9 plus 8 gives us 17. So for the 17, we put the 1's place, send the 10s to this side. So this becomes plus 1. So plus 1, we have 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 6, so we're done with this. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Make sure you have nothing to do with this, so you cancel that. So right now, there's 0. So therefore, the final answer is going to be all the values outside the page, starting from the left. So therefore, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4 times 24 is equal to 7,776. That's our final answer. So we try our last example. That's going to be 329 by 23. 329. Sorry, that's going to be 6. Let's get a bigger value. 6,294 times 53. Good. 6,294 times 53. And obviously this is going to demand a lot. And I believe You can try your hands on this as well. 6,294 times 53. So you can pause the video and try yourself before continuing to see how I'm going to solve it. We have this 6,000. Obviously, we still have two columns. We have, 4 columns, but still maintain 2 rows. 1, 2, 4. Use our red ink for the diagonals. Okay, so we quickly put our numbers. It's going to be 6,294 times 53. 5. We go this way. 5 times 4. 5 times 4 gives us 20. 5 times 9 is 45. 4, 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 6, 30. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Good. So having done this, we go by the various, we add from the various diagonal. The first one is 2. 2 here. This is going to be 8. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 is 7 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. So write only the ones value, take the 10 value to the next diagonal. So 4 plus 1 gives you 5, and then 5 plus 8 gives you 13. 13. So as usual, you write the 13, write 3, take 1 to the next one. 13. This 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore, the final answer is going to be all the values outside the diagonal, or outside the grid, or the entire box. Make sure you don't confuse it with the numbers here. So it's always good you cancel them out so they don't confuse you, so you don't add them to the final answer. So having done this, we're doing 600. Okay, let's use this here. So 600 294 times 53 is equal to 3,000. So okay, we have 3, 3, 3, 5, 8, 2. That's going to be 333,500. That's correct. Okay, so thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Go back to your textbook and solve many more questions. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye.